Are you trying to lose some weight before summer hits? Forget about starving yourself or working out for hours in the gym. The secret to curbing your appetite could be hiding in your spice rack. Stick around, because in just a moment, we'll reveal what it is, how it works, and why it might just be your secret summer weapon. Summer is always the time of the year we all look forward to. From the sandy beaches to the backyard pools, we start to shed those extra layers, not just in clothing, but also the few extra pounds we have acquired over the winter. We crave a fresh, better, and more attractive look. According to a survey conducted which polled 2,000 American adults, it was discovered that 51% of Gen Z and 42% millennials work extra hard to get fit and lose some weight to look better before going on their long-awaited summer vacation. And while most people rely heavily on hitting the gym and trying new diets, there's also a growing curiosity, a search for simple, natural ways to help make that transformation easier and natural. Although these ways are preferred by many, they also come with their twists and turns which most people find hard to keep up with. But what if you can get that perfect summer body you have dreamt of all year long with less energy and sacrifice needed? The secret isn't in the workout, it's in your spice rack or refrigerator. It's none other than chili peppers. It's probably not what you were expecting, but this little fiery spice has a lot to it other than just making food spicy. Chili peppers contain a powerful compound called capsaicin, which is the secret ingredient you need to help you eat less and burn more fat. Let's take a look at how this powerful compound helps with weight loss. Boosting metabolism in your body, thermogenesis. As an integral part of our body function, heat is constantly produced to maintain the body temperature and support metabolism. Capsaicin increases the process, which makes your body burn more calories after eating spicy food. Consuming spicy chili pepper makes people sweat or feel hot, which makes the body burn more calories to cool you down and deal with the heat from capsaicin. Think of your body like a furnace. To keep it running effectively, you need to feed it fuel. That's the food you eat. Now, when you eat something spicy, like chili peppers, it's like throwing a match into that burning furnace. Suddenly, the fire burns hotter, and the furnace is left with no option but to use more fuel to keep things from overheating. That extra burn is referred to as thermogenesis. Your body is working harder, using up more calories, just to deal with the heat, which in turn helps with your weight loss. According to research documented in the International Journal for Food Science and Nutrition, it was reported that chili peppers aid in weight loss through fat metabolism, energy expenditure, and thermogenesis. Suppressing your appetite. Consuming capsaicin, found in chili peppers, does not only aid in weight loss by boosting thermogenesis in your body, it also suppresses your appetite, your desire to eat food when you feel hungry. During thermogenesis, capsaicin increases your body's heat production and energy use. This in turn boosts metabolism in the body temporarily and can also reduce your feeling of hunger. It also affects the hormone that makes you feel hungry, called ghrelin, by lowering it below the required amount for it to function, and increases other hormones that are charged with making you feel satisfied, like GLP-1 and peptide YY. So you eat less without forcing it, and in return, you start to lose weight. Many scientific researches conducted have confirmed the connection between the consumption of capsaicin and a reduction in your desire to eat more when hungry. Some of these researches include one published in the International Journal of Obesity, where a controlled study was conducted on 24 adults who were exposed to capsaicin. This led to a 10 to 16% reduction in their daily energy intake, and their feeling of fullness also increased, which led to a decrease in their feeling of hunger. When you consume capsaicin, it suppresses your appetite, and hence your desire to eat more drops. This then leads to a reduction in calorie intake and cravings by making you go for foods that have fewer fats and carbs in subsequent meals. The spiciness that comes with these chili peppers also has the ability to suppress emotional eating, which is one of the major causes of weight gain amongst Americans. Now that we have seen how capsaicin compounds can help us lose weight, let's take a look at how we can incorporate them into our daily diet to start our weight loss journey. You may be wondering, what's the best way to consume chili peppers to get the result you want? Here is where it gets more interesting. Unlike other dietary guidelines that need you to eat certain food types alone, chili pepper works the other way around. Some easy homemade recipes of eating chili pepper include sprinkling chili flakes or powder on your eggs, pasta, pizza, or roasted veggies. You can also dice fresh chili peppers or add a pinch of chili powder into your morning eggs, which will give a spicy kick to start your metabolism early in the day. Furthermore, if you prefer to have meals that will help suppress your appetite, you can chop fresh chili peppers into your bowl of salad or mix chili flakes into olive oil or vinaigrette. To boost thermogenesis in your body, you can add sliced chilies, hot sauce, or chili paste into lentil soups, chicken stew, or broth-based dishes. But chili peppers don't only stop at aiding our weight loss, they also have other significant health benefits attached to them. Chili peppers are known to boost your immune system due to the large amount of vitamin C they contain, which is even more than an orange. Another health benefit attached to chili pepper is its ability to prevent heart disease due to the presence of capsaicin, which can reduce inflammation and decrease your chances of developing heart disease. In addition, they can also serve as a pain reliever due to the unique properties found in capsaicin. It has the ability to bind with pain receptors when consumed, which are in charge of sensing pain in the body. When this process occurs, it induces a burning feeling without causing real burning injuries. But if repeated over time, it reduces your ability to sense the burning flavor of the chili, and you practically become used to it. It also renders the pain receptors insensitive to other forms of pain. This property is really useful, especially to people dealing with heartburn caused by acid reflux. In a 6-week study published in the Gastroenterology Journal, it was reported that consuming 3 grams of chili each day improved heartburn in people with acid reflux. Precaution: although consuming chili peppers has been scientifically proven to aid in weight loss amongst other benefits, it may also come with some negative side effects that need to be noted. As seen in some people, especially those suffering from irritable bowel syndrome, chili peppers can cause diarrhea and rectal pain. It can also cause indigestion, nausea, heartburn, stomach pain, and vomiting, which even lead to ulcers when consumed incessantly. To avoid coming across these side effects during your weight loss journey, you should limit your chili consumption to a small dosage. Also, always seek the advice of your doctor or any other expert on the best recipes to use that are both effective and healthy. As we come towards the end of this journey, we have answered the questions why chili pepper is your best bet for your weight loss journey as you prepare for the summer, how it works, and how to best consume it. If you found this information about how you can lose weight before the summer without doing any strenuous activity or changing the way you eat, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more next time. Thanks for watching.